हाउ टू स्टडी इंग्लिश अलोन एट होम। प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए आपको किसी और की जरूरत कभी नहीं पड़ती है। अगर आपके मन में इच्छा है कि मुझे ये चीज सीखना है, nobody can stop you from learning something. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Let's Connect, and I am Romana. Today we are going to discuss about a very important problem that I'm sure you all are thinking about this problem and you all are facing it. Because जब मैं English practice करती थी, this used to be in my mind always. And the problem is how to study English alone at home. And if you are alone at home, you might be thinking that spoken English practice करना है but किसी के साथ बात नहीं करूंगी तो कैसे practice करूंगी? I tell you, my friend, that is something very simple, very easy. If you follow few tips, I'm sure you are going to you will be able to overcome this problem. And today I will talk about reading aloud. Okay? Reading aloud will improve your English rapidly. Rapidly means बहुत ही जल्दी. And it improves your pronunciation as well as intonation. अभी इंटोनेशन क्या है, प्रोनाउंसिएशन तो सबको पता है, बट इंटोनेशन मतलब टोन. जब हम लोग हिंदी या बंगाली या फिर अपना मदर टंग में बात करते हैं, हम एक टोन फॉलो करते हैं. अगर क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो क्वेश्चन पूछने का तरीका होता है, और अगर किसी से नॉर्मल स्टेटमेंट, रिक्वेस्ट या कमांड या ऑर्डर देते हैं, वो बोलने का तरीका अलग होता है. तो ये इंटोनेशन हमें इंग्लिश में भी प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए. बहुत बच्चे दे गेट स्कैर्ड when they have to speak English, so then they get very busy in framing sentences, hence they cannot focus on the tone. Okay, so if you read loudly, you will be able to hear your voice, and I'm telling you that human brain is marvelous. Okay, बहुत ही बढ़िया एक machine है human brain. If you read something loudly, you will be able to hear your own voice, and there lies the magic. Okay, when you get to hear your own voice, you will be able to memorize words. मतलब आप words को याद रख पाओगे, आप टोन के बारे में समझ पाओगे, प्रोनाउंसिएशन, फ्रेजेस, ये सारे चीजें आपके कान में जब जाएगा, आप गलत मुंह से निकालोगे नहीं. ओके, बिकॉज यू आर used to hear your own voice and you are reading something, so you will be able to read things which is there in front of you. You are going to read correct English, you are going to hear correct English, and then you are going to speak correct English. Okay, and today I will talk about reading out loudly. इसके साथ साथ mirror practice में today I will tell you how to tell your daily routine when you stand in front of the mirror. Okay, I will tell you my routine and you will just have to replace आपका टाइम, आपका जो भी काम है वो चीज कुछ replace करके you can make your own daily routine. And remember, daily routine is something that I do every day. It is a routine. So this is always written or spoken in simple present tense. Okay, तो जो भी मेरे वर्ड्स है, मतलब मेरा जो भी क्रिया है, वो सारे हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में बोलेंगे, उसका फॉर्म हम चेंज नहीं करेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडे विथ आवर डेली रूटीन. इसमें मैं मैक्स टू मैक्स 7-8 सेंटेंसेस बनाऊंगी. You will have to follow the same pattern. If you want to add something, you can of course go ahead and you can feel free to add them. Okay, so let's start. I get up in the morning at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take bath. I get ready for office. I go to office at 9 a.m. or I reach office at 9 a.m. Most of the time I get late, but then still it's okay. After that, I finish my office work. I chat with my colleagues. I eat lunch. I start working again. देखो यहाँ पे मैंने start के साथ working ing डाला. मैंने बोला था फॉर्म चेंज नहीं करूंगी, बट यहाँ पे मैं 2 वर्ड्स यूज कर रही हूँ, 2 क्रिया, एक है start, एक है working. सो मैं दोनों को सेम फॉर्म में कभी यूज नहीं कर सकती हूँ। एक सेंटेंस में अगर दो क्रिया एक साथ है, अगर पहला प्रेजेंट है तो नेक्स्ट वाला इधर प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस होगा या पास्ट होगा, पास्ट कंटिन्यूस होगा, कुछ भी और होगा। ओके, सो आई स्टार्ट वर्किंग at 5 p.m. I come back home. I spend time with my family. I teach my son. I drink a cup of coffee. I cook dinner. I eat with my family. Then I browse, I see my mobile. I shoot videos for you all, and then I sleep at 11 p.m. So this is my daily routine. Wasn't it simple? Right? It was very simple. So just try the same format. आप अपने हिसाब से कुछ कुछ changes इसमें कर सकते हो. But see, I spoke about something that I do every day. So I used simple present tense. मतलब मैंने I का इस्तेमाल किया और वर्ब को जो फॉर्म है वर्ब का वो सेम फॉर्म में मैंने रखा है, उसको चेंज नहीं किया है. ओके, सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस अलाउड, you need to speak out, because until and unless you speak, you will not be able to hear your voice, and if you don't hear your own voice, you will never feel confident, you will never be able to speak in front of anybody. Okay, so today I am going to share one clip art with you. Okay, and the clip art is very simple. There you will find 4 verbs. So you will just have to use those verbs and start framing sentences in present tense, simple present tense. Like if you find a verb like work, work matlab काम. So simple present tense में आप sentence कैसे बनाओगे? You can say I work every day. मैं हर रोज काम करती हूँ. Simple present continuous tense में प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस में कैसे सेंटेंस बनाओगे? आई एम वर्किंग, मतलब मैं कोई काम अभी कर रही हूं. कंटिन्यूस टेंस आई एम वर्किंग. ओके, सो जस्ट प्रैक्टिस सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस and simple present continuous, not simple, present continuous tense. Okay, and I'm very much sure you will not have this problem, that how you will practice English alone at home. Always remember, प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए आपको किसी और की ज़रूरत कभी नहीं पड़ती है. अगर आपके मन में इच्छा है कि मुझे ये चीज़ सीखना है, nobody can stop you from learning something. Okay, and in today's world, you have internet, you can watch my videos. Okay, इसमें क्या होगा? You will be able to learn things. You will be able to motivate yourself by listening to my videos, and you will be able to practice with me. You can pause my video and do shadowing. You know what is shadowing? Just pause it and repeat. Pause and repeat. Follow the tone that I am following, and see, nobody will be able to stop you from speaking in English. If you have any doubt, any worries, you can always comment in the comment section. I will be there to assist you for sure. And somebody has commented that you are trying to speak, words आपके दिमाग में आता है, but आप जब बोलने का कोशिश करते हो उस टाइम पे you don't get words to speak. Okay, this is just lack of practice and lack of confidence. I am telling you, practice speaking aloud in front of the mirror, and you try this. See, whatever problems that you're facing today, जरूरत नहीं है कि ये कल ही ठीक हो जाए. It will take time. Give yourself some time and practice every day the way I'm saying. ये problem भी आपका solve हो जाएगा, because I have practiced the same way, and I'm sure सारे लोग जो लोग English बोलते हैं सब कहीं ना कहीं ये problem face किया है, and they have also practiced this very same way. Okay, and if you have liked my video today, I request you to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's Connect, and happy learning. See you in another video.